You guys, Jared here, giving you a quick update. Machinima Sports has posted my latest Airsoft skirmish footage. If you want to go check that out, click the annotation or click the link below. It's already been posted over to Machinima Sports, and usually it also gets posted over to Machinima in about 4 days to a week or so. Usually they'll take the most viewed out of the week and put it over on Machinima's main channel, so that's why you're seeing a lot of my stuff on Machinima's main channel as well. But yeah, go check that out. Also be looking for something that will be posted to Respawn very soon. Next episode of Game Breakers will finally be posted over there, but I'm still waiting and they take forever to post stuff, so gotta wait for that. Anyway, Airsoft stuff has been posted. Go check that out, and I'll see all you guys later.